The very first time when we had it, one of our customers said that we stole their show because our design was standing out so much, was bringing so much, driving so much attention, and was just, standing out in the show, straight away where you need to go to if you want to find Mycronic. Mycronic is a Swedish company that provides innovative, flexible solution for surface mount technology. We are going to start the manufacturing when we are going to be showcasing our innovations and our new products, especially when it comes to a 3D AOI. We have a brand new programming software which is called Gen I, and it allows to program an AOI within 10 minutes or less, which is really groundbreaking. Plus, we are going also to showcase our flexible and smart storage solutions. I believe that the stand and what you guys did, how you guys helped us to put the idea into reality is making a difference for us. So I really think it's going to represent our brand. It's modern. It's obviously dark blue, which is Mycronic, and it shows what we are, innovative, customer focused, open from all the sides, so customers can come, they can reach us from any sides because it's open space stands. So what we really like about the Prestige system is the flexibility it provides us with, plus sustainability. We did have it built for the show 3 years ago for the very first time, and we are still able to use the majority of the design. We can just reprint some panels, we can keep whatever we want, so I think it's really great in terms of return on investment. Basically, we made a great investment at the beginning, obviously, with putting the stand together, and you're always here to help, always here to guide us, and whenever we need to make any changes, I know that they are going to be done and they are going to be fine.
How important and beneficial for brands going to exhibitions to see their stand being pre-built here?
I think it's very important, so especially for us the first time. This time I just came to have a chat really with you guys, but the first time when I came, we really wanted to see how it works, because of course we did see all the panels in print, but we did not see how it's going to look like. We were imagining it, and coming here, seeing that everything looks fantastic, professional, neat, tidy, exactly as we planned it, exactly as we discussed it, it gives you really a great confidence that the show is going to go well, because we have the backbone of the show, which is the stand here. That's why whenever I get any other calls from some other providers, we are not interested, because we are happy with Quadrant2Design. We have been working with you guys for over 3 years, and I can only say very good things and praise, because you have been guys extremely professional, very easy to deal with. You have a team of visionaries who are putting any idea really into reality that we want. You guide us, you have experts in project management as well, which is obviously very important for the show, just to make sure that we don't miss any deadline. Everything is on track, all the electrics, everything is there, things that I don't think about or I can miss. There is always someone who is, on top of that, making sure that everything is ready. So now it's just pure pleasure to working with you guys, and we are very, very pleased, and it's the 3rd year round, and hopefully many more.